Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make St. Patrick's Day cookie fudge. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you are going to need 1 pack of the golden Oreos. The double stuff does not matter, of course. You just need a regular pack. Then half a teaspoon of green food coloring. 1/4 cup of some kind of creamer or milk, or half and half, whatever you want to use. You could also use the heavy whipping cream. It's just you need some kind of liquid. Then we need 1/2 cup of Wowbutter, and you can use the crunchy or the creamy. I'm using the crunchy because I just think that will give it an extra little crunchiness, but you can use, like I said, whatever you want. Then we need 1/2 cup of either Hersheyettes or Sixlets. I went ahead and just did the Sixlets. I couldn't find any green Hersheyettes right now, and I bought these at Ollie's for $1.49, and I did have to use every pack to get that many of just the brown, green, and orange. Then you also need some marshmallows from some Lucky Charms. I just got out the green clovers, and it's about 1/3 cup. And then you need some Andes mint candies or baking chips, and I just broke those into thirds. And that I used 1/2 cup. So let's go ahead and get started. So next you're going to line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper. I sprayed it first and then put the parchment paper on. And you need a gallon size bag because we are going to separate our Oreos. So put the cookies in here and put the stuffing in a different bowl. Alright, that is done. That took a while. And I also forgot to say that my Andes mints, I bought these little bags at Dollar Tree. And they are made in a peanut and tree nut free facility, it says on the back. And I used about 1 and then a few out of another one, so it wasn't very much. So let's go ahead and add our creamer to our Ziploc bag. And we are just going to mush that around until a nice consistency is made. Okay, that looks good to me. All I did was just kind of, move the bag around like this and crunch up the cookies. They don't have to be little tiny pieces, but just get them nice and mixed in with that creamer or milk. And mine smells really good because I used creme brulee creamer and it smells so good. So next, let's go ahead and add in our green food coloring and just mix that around until we reach our desired consistency of green. Alright, after you are good with the shade of green, not the consistency, like I said, I don't know what I was talking about, we are going to go ahead and put that into our lined baking dish and just pat it out nice and even. You just want to make sure you leave an overhang on your baking dish because that is how you will pull out the fudge. Okay, my first layer is in there. I just kind of dumped it in and then worked it around with a spatula. If you try to use your hands, it may stick, so spatula works best. So let's get ready for our second step, which is all of this yumminess right here. We are going to heat that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Next, we are going to add our Wowbutter to this and heat it for another 30 seconds. Alright, that just came out. I went ahead and mixed it up, and now I am going to pour it over my cookie layer. And then you want to just start adding all this yumminess all over the top. Okay, wow, there is a lot going on in there, but it looks awesome. Some of my mints I went ahead and pushed in sideways just so you could see the mint sticking out there. And you can just push those down a little bit, push everything kind of down in so it sticks. So next we are going to go ahead and refrigerate this for 1 hour. And then we'll cut it into bars and see what taste tester thinks. This is out of the refrigerator now. It's been in there for over an hour and it looks really cute. So now I am just going to cut it into little bars or little squares and see what taste tester thinks. Alright, this is all ready for taste tester. Hey taste tester, hey. Have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Bye.